Hi everyone, welcome to Mindshop Studio. This is Chris, and today I've got another microbit lesson for you. Today we're going to make an app to turn all our lights on in sequence. It'll be fun. Come on, let's get started. Go ahead and fire up your browser, go to makecode.microbit.org and follow along with me. Now first we want to create two variables. We'll call one HORIZ for horizontal. And then, of course, we'll call the other one VERT. Click in VERT for vertical. You can write them out if you want, as long as you know what your variables are. And it's good to have names for your variables that anyone can understand. Don't just choose variable names that you can understand. Like if I called horizontal X, X is a really bad name. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is get a loop. And we're going to use this for loop, and it says for index from 0 to 4. So index is a variable, in this case, that was created within this loop. We don't need to use index. It's just already there. That way you don't have to make a variable if you don't want. And it's going to start index at a value of 0, and then it will go through the loop until index reaches the value of 4. And actually, we want two loops. But we don't want to use index, we want to use horizontal and vertical. And we're going from 0 to 4, which means it's going to happen 5 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, so it'll run the outside loop from 0 to 4, and every time it runs the outside loop once, it will run the inside loop 0 to 4. So that means it will run a total of 25 times. So what we want to do within this loop is we want to plot. So go to LED and get a plot block. And we want to plot horizontal and vertical. And all the lights are lit up, which means it happened really fast. Let's slow that down. We'll get a pause. And we're going to pause for 100 milliseconds or 1/10 of a second. And now you see all the lights lighting up. That's great. So this is an app, we're calling it Blinker. Let's go ahead and save Blinker. So as you see, we turned the lights on. That was really simple. Let's also turn the lights off. I'm going to duplicate the big outside loop so I get everything. And now what we're going to do is change this block out. I'll delete it. Then we'll go to LED, we'll get an unplot block. And we'll unplot horizontal and vertical. So the lights all turn on and then they all turn off. I like that. And you know, if you wanted this to run over and over again, well, that's easy enough. We'll just get a forever block, put all of that into the forever block. And this is because a forever block is a loop of its own. It runs whatever's inside over and over and over again. Now, what if I want to turn the lights off in reverse order? How do we do that? Well, we just need to do some math. So let's go to the math. And remember, all these math blocks are the same. You got plus, minus, multiply, divide, all within the same. And this is exponential powers. All right, now we unplot 4 minus horizontal for x and y, 4 minus vertical. And the reason is because horizontal and vertical start at 0 according to our for loops. And 4 minus 0 is 4. So 4 is the lower right corner, just like 0, 0 is the upper left corner. See, 0, 0, down here, 4, 4. And that way we turn the lights off in reverse. That's pretty cool. You know what, I'm going to call this Blinker 2. Save it. All right, so there you have it. Another microbit lesson in the bag. I hope you enjoyed doing microbit with me today. I really enjoyed doing microbit with you, and I'll see you again real soon. Goodbye, everyone.